Today my topic is water cycle. Here the definition of water cycle is the circulation of water between the earth surface and air is called water cycle. Now I am explaining this definition with the diagram. This is the earth surface. Which type of water bodies are present on the earth surface? Like seas, oceans, lakes, rivers. These type of water bodies are present on the earth surface. So these are the water bodies present on the earth surface. On the upper part of the earth surface, air is present. This is the air which was present on the upper part of the earth surface. The circulation of water between the earth surface and air means the water goes up from the earth surface and comes down from the sky. This is like a circular form, which is like a cycle wheel. That's why we called it as water cycle. Now the question was how this form occurs and which type of processes occurs in this water cycle. There are 4 processes takes place to form this water cycle. Those are evaporation process, condensation process, precipitation process and collection of water on ground. I am explaining to each and every part. Please listen very carefully. Evaporation process. Second part, condensation process. Third process is precipitation process. And fourth one, collection of water on ground. First one, evaporation process. So what is evaporation process here? We know that in summer days what happened? Sun gives much amount of heat. Because of this heatness, because of this higher temperature, the water present on the seas, rivers and oceans are evaporated. That means the water convert into water vapor. Like this. This is water vapor. Do you know about water vapor? Before you go to bath, what you will do? You heat water on a stove or by heater. So what you will be observe after at higher temperature? So you will observe vapors on the surface of water. You will observe such type of vapors are also formed here because of the sun heat. So, this process of conversion of water into water vapor by the sun heat is called the process evaporation process. So, this is the evaporation process. What happening here? I am explaining again. So, in this process, water converts into water vapor. This arrow mark indicates the conversion. So, why? Why this is converted? On the up of the arrow mark, I am writing the reason that why it is converted. Because of sun heat. So, because of sun heat, the conversion of water into water vapor is called evaporation process. So, here occurs evaporation process. Now, the second process is the condensation process. This water vapor slowly goes up to the sky. On the upper part of the earth surface, air is present, but that air very cool in nature. Because of this coolness, this water vapor gets converted into very tiny droplets of water. Like this. Tiny means very small droplets of water. The floating of these small droplets of water appear in the form of cloud. Like this, many clouds at different places will be formed. In these clouds, what present? That already I said, small droplets of water will be present. Like this. So, these droplets of water appear in the form of clouds. So, this process of conversion of water vapor into clouds is called condensation process. This is the condensation process. So, I am writing here the definition condensation process. What happened here? The water vapor converts into clouds. This is because of the coolness of air. On the up of the arrow mark, I am writing the reason why it is converted. Because of the coolness of air. So, next process is precipitation process. Here, after this condensation process, precipitation process takes place. That means like this many clouds are formed and many tiny droplets are formed. Because of this heaviness, these tiny droplets gets converted into big droplets of water. Like this. After that, these big droplets of water reach the ground in the form of rain. So, by the raining, this water comes to the earth. So this process of conversion of clouds into rain is called precipitation process. So in this precipitation, what happened? Which type of conversion takes place? Here clouds convert into the form of rain. Because of why? Because of the heaviness of clouds, because of the heaviness of tiny droplets. So after the precipitation process, we collect our water on the ground. So last process is collection of water on ground. That means seas, rivers and oceans are fully filled with water. Here water goes up and comes down. So this process is called as the water cycle. And which type of processes takes place in the water cycle? 4 processes takes place in the water cycle. Evaporation process, in which water converts into water vapor because of sun heat. Second one, condensation process. Water vapor converts into clouds because of coolness of our air. So next process, precipitation process. In this, clouds converted into rain because of the heaviness of clouds. And finally, we collect our water on ground. This is about water cycle. If you understand this, please like my video and subscribe my channel.